Fresh claims of deepening divisions within ZANU-PF is emerged after journalists and political analysts reason of Orova indicated that several senior party figures and government officials are strongly opposed to the controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Sarabina Mashu Kubdanya conscience infighting in ZANU-PF explodes. Stop Mnangagwa allies totally opposed Cap 3 subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna Mudanya conscience. Writing on his official Facebook page on Monday, Orova claimed President Emmerson Mnangagwa is fully aware that resistance to the proposed constitutional changes runs deep within the ruling party and state establishment. Mnangagwa knows very well that the entire formal establishment is totally against Cap 3. This is not usual, reportedly or allegedly. Journalistic staff wrote of Orova. He wanted to name several high-ranking ZANU-PF officials and government heavyweights whom he alleged are against the proposed amendment. Christopher Mchangwa, Patrick Chinamasa, Obit Pov, Anselm Sanyatwe, George Aramba, Vice President Kembo Mohadi, Constantino Chiwenga, as well as Tinoma Chakaire, are totally opposed to Cap 3, not necessarily for the same reason, but totally opposed, or the same, he claimed. According to Orova, some senior officials are choosing to remain neutral while carefully monitoring developments around the controversial bill. He further alleged that many members within the ZANU-PF Politburo are only offering temporary support for political survival rather than genuine backing for the bill. In a scathing attack on the alleged forces behind Cap 3, Orova described the process as being driven by greedy and elite interests rather than national concerns. Cap 3 is owned by familial, Kabbalistic and Catholic forces, and it is cosmetically sugar-coated with contrived political ownership. The whole thing is driven by collectivized individual greed, he wrote. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa did not respond to the allegations at the time of publication. Our government spokesperson Nick Mangwana was also yet to comment, further fueling anxiety over the matter. Toma developments are Pangwana. In a comment section, made to some of you a more believe on the page to each. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.